Hi, Darragh O'Brien here, Minister for Housing, Local Government and Heritage. Here's what I've been doing in my first 100 days in office. I established a high-level homelessness task force and a high-level delivery group. The groups are focused on driving solutions and accelerating delivery of homes. In July, I launched a Call for Housing 2020, a new initiative asking any property owner or developers with vacant properties to make them available for the use of social housing, particularly focused at those who are homeless. As part of the July stimulus programme, I allocated 600 million for a commercial rates waiver to help our struggling businesses. I also allocated 40 million to refurbish 2,500 vacant social homes so they can be brought back into use this year, 2020. This is the largest single programme ever allocated for voids. Then I allocated 43 million to Irish Water for their leakage reduction programme, and the government increased the Help to Buy grant from 20 to 30,000 euro to help thousands more get on the housing ladder. After that, I increased the cap on local authorities' social housing construction from 2 to 6 million. This was a key commitment in the programme for government and means that local authorities will have greater autonomy in constructing social houses, meaning quicker delivery for our people. On the 1st of August, the Residential Tenancies Amendment Act 2020 came into effect. It will protect vulnerable tenants throughout the pandemic. I allocated over 3 million euro for 26 estates across 10 counties to connect them to the public water services network. Almost 950 homes will benefit. A total of 18 million was allocated to the improvement works in lieu scheme and the disabled persons grant to provide much needed adaptations to people's homes. I also extended the pyrite remediation scheme to Limerick City and County. In the Midlands, local authority homes will benefit from €20 million retrofit programme, which I announced. Finally, and most recently, I extended the mortgage payment break already in place for local authority home loan borrowers by a further 3 months. So there are just some of the things I've been up to my first 100 days in office, but I know there is so much more for us to do.